Whatever.
Cuckoo bird.
Cuckoo bird.
Guys, I hope it's something I love.
First year. I hope so too. I don't want to see the difference.
I know.
It's a box!
Oh, your present's a box. I'm kidding.
See, that's not funny.
That's not funny.
No, there's something inside the box.
I think it should be too. Did I take it hard?
No, you did pretty good. I got it.
Oh,
No box cutter needed.
Put the box cutter away.
No, wait, stop.
Put this
Are you
dangerous
listening to mommy?
instruments away.
Push down. I'll pull up. Ready? Push down.
There you go.
Whoa, what is that?
A jungle.
A
Pull it
jungle.
open.
Whoa, that's a ton of dinosaurs, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Something I always wanted.
Well, that's good.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur.
Can you go
Here,
hug
it's
each
gotta go down
other?
like that,
Can you
doesn't
sit
it?
by him with the
Oh, no,
dinosaurs?
it
Okay, sure.
Wow, look at that. It comes in its own case.
Oh, careful.
Thank you, Adriel. You got
think that
this
was the
that I
big
like. Dinosaurs.
They got it too. Not just me, they got it too.
We're
I
glad
hope-
to get dinosaurs. You like it? Yay!
I hope somebody.
No, high five over
I hope
there.
somebody's recording this.
Oh, can you hold your dinosaurs up? Go stand by Adriel, right in the middle.
Thank you, Adriel.
Go give it a major. Up.
1, 2, 3.
There you go. Amy can sit.
He's looking at the present.